In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all pages of a PDF in Affinity. If you brought a multi-page PDF into an Affinity app, whether you're using Affinity Publisher, Designer, or Photo, the goal here is to export the entire document at once, not just a single page. With your PDF open and ready, start by going to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click File. This is your command center for saving, exporting, and packaging your work. If you're on Windows, look to the top left of the application window. On Mac OS, it's in the System menu bar. Next, hover over Export. In some versions, you'll see Export listed directly. In others, you may see related options like Quick Export. Hovering ensures you're choosing the full export dialog, which gives you the control you need for multi-page output. Now click Export. This opens the main export panel. You'll see icons or tabs for different formats across the top. This is where you tell Affinity what kind of file you want to rate. Select the PDF option. Choosing PDF ensures you preserve the structure of your document and keep page order intact. Depending on your needs, you can pick a preset like PDF or print for high quality output or PDF, web for smaller file sizes. If you need to retain vectors and crisp text, stick with a print-focused preset and keep an eye on compression settings if file size is a concern. Before you export, make sure you're exporting all pages. In the export dialog, look for the area or range section, set it to all pages or whole document. This is the key setting that determines whether you get a complete multi-page PDF or just the page you're currently viewing. If your document uses spreads, selecting all pages will include every spread in the correct order. In Designer, if you're working with artboards, choose the equivalent option that exports the entire document or all artboards. Take a second to confirm the page count shown in the preview or summary matches what you expect. When everything looks right, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose a save location and file name. Pick a clear name and a folder you can find easily. Click Save and let Affinity process the file. For larger documents, give it a moment to complete. That's it. You've exported every page of your PDF from Affinity in one go. If you need to share a smaller file, revisit the PDF preset and compression settings. If you're sending to print, keep fonts embedded and compression gentle. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.